बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम सी लैंग्वेज का एक सैम्पल प्रोग्राम डिस्कस करेंगे और इसके जितने भी उसमें कंपोनेंट्स हैं, फंक्शंस हैं, उसको डिटेल से पढ़ेंगे। C++ is a programming language which is used to write a program for computer. And what is program? Program is a set of instruction that perform a specific task. सबसे पहले हम hash include लिखेंगे. What is hash? Hash include is a preprocessor directive which contains the header file, and header file contains the definition of built-in function like conio.h is header file which contains clear screen and catch function. उसके बाद iostream.h भी हेडर फाइल है जिसमें सी आउट और सी इन जैसे बिल्ट इन फंक्शन के डिक्लेरेशन मौजूद है। प्री प्रोसेसर इज़ द फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एवरी C++ प्रोग्राम। उसके बाद मेन फंक्शन, मेन इज दैट फंक्शन which is executed first. The body of the main function begins with the opening brackets and ends with the closing brackets, like in this example. Main is the second components of this program and the body of the main function is the third component. Every program contains three components: preprocessor directive, main function and body of the main function. This sample program only display this message, my first program, on the screen. जो मैसेज भी हम स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले करेंगे उसको डबल कोट में ज़रूर इनक्लोज करेंगे एंड एवरी C++ स्टेटमेंट मस्ट बी टर्मिनेटेड विद अ सेमीकोलन, which is the last function in every program because it holds output on the screen. Hash include mean preprocessor directive is a collection of special statements which are executed before the compilation process. The header files like conio.h and iostream.h are stored in include directory. They are inserted in the program because user can use built-in function from these header files. Like clear screen is built-in function. The declaration of clear screen is stored in conio.cout is also built-in function. The declaration of cout is in iostream.h. The output of this program is my first program. I hope you will learn this sample program. We will come with next video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.